السلام عليكم، يعطيكم العافية. اليوم إن شاء الله راح أتكلم عن العلاج اليدوي والمساج الرياضي. المساج الرياضي والعلاج اليدوي من الأشياء جدا مهمة اللي المفروض كل رياضي يسويها، وحتى الناس الغير رياضيين هم يفضل يسوونها. اللقطات اللي تو شفتهم هذه بعض الأجزاء من جلسة العلاج اليدوي والمساج الرياضي، والشخص هذا قاعد يسوي لي الأشياء هذه يسمى فرانك. فرانك يصنف من أفضل الأشخاص في المساج الرياضي والعلاج اليدوي اللي موجودين في الكويت. فأنا استغليت وجودي في الكويت خلال 3 أسابيع اللي فاتت وسويت معاه مقابله. سالته بعض الاسئله المهمه، انه من الناس اللي ينصح يسوون علاج يدوي، مساج رياضي، كلش كثر تسويهم كل اسبوع، كل اسبوعين، كل شهر. تكلمنا عن المواضيع هذه بالتفصيل، ان شاء الله بعد شوي راح تشوفون المقابله. ملاحظه مهمه، ترى المقابله بالانجليزي بس انا حطيت لكم ترجمه حق المقابله، فلو تضغطون بس على زر السي سي يسمونه سبتايتلز، هني راح تقدرون تشوفون الترجمه كامله. قبل لا ندش المقابله لا تنسون تسوون لايك حق الفيديو، اشتركوا بالقناه، فعل جرس الانذارات على اساس اي فيديو انا ان شاء الله انزله كل سبت يوصلكم على طول وما يفوتكم اي فيديو انا انزله بالقناه. اتمنى لكم مشاهده ممتعه وفائده كبيره. يعطيكم العافيه. تونا خاصين جلسه العلاج اليدوي. الحين فرانك معي. Hello Frank.
Hi.
How are you? So today I'm going to ask you some questions from our followers because they got so interested with the video I posted about the manipulation, and they were also interested with the deep tissue massage. So first of all, what are the benefits and drawbacks of both deep tissue massage and manipulation?
Actually, I'm doing right now for you. It's a kind of mix. I mixed with manipulation and deep tissue. Okay. So, regardless if you are sports enthusiast, if you are bodybuilders, if you are sports active, anyway, if you are crossfitters, yeah, this is a good benefit actually because deep tissue or sports massage, it will helps to develop muscle tone and fast recovery. All right. And aside from that, it will give you also boost energy because you have best result after this kind of treatment as well. So the best thing if you do manipulation and massage is after the training.
Okay. Never did before.
Yeah, because after this kind of treatment, you need to take rest for the whole day.
Okay.
Yes, and manipulation, it helps to correct the joints.
Okay.
And gives also more mobilization, more mobile.
Okay.
Okay, just to correct some joints if this is necessary. Because I will not do any manipulation. This is not necessary.
Okay. Cool.
Okay.
So it depends on the patient's situation.
Yes.
If someone is not an athlete, which means that he's not training, can he do deep tissue massage and manipulation, or it will be just beneficial for athletes who are training or who compete in
Actually,
competitions?
in general, it doesn't require if you are a sports active sport. As long as, because for me, like for you, even if you are not sports active, if you feel something like, if you're in office, if you're just working in the bank, if you are standing a lot of time, or if you're just on the desk a lot of time, so sometimes you feel back pain or neck pain. So it really needs just to freak those muscles.
Okay.
Okay. If you have any time, just to release the muscles, because it really helps you a lot.
So it's for the general population. It's not specifically for like athletes.
Yeah, it's not for athletes only.
If someone like has a history of some spinal break, like some problems in his neck
disc,
or in his spine, maybe disc, or maybe like some people who get into serious car accidents have maybe some metals in their legs, in their back. How can you deal with those type of people?
First, I need to see the history of the patient.
So you ask for the history at the beginning?
Yeah, the beginning first. Cool. So before I do an assessment, I need to see if he has the old reports, if what maybe the doctor said to him, if he really needs to undergo for the treatment like what we did today. So it really needs some assessment.
Okay,
so,
cool. But you can do the manipulation, but you first need to have the assessment.
Yes, like for example, if you have, if the client has disc herniation, so I need to see to it that check all the reports if he is qualified or not. Because we cannot do manipulation unless if we will not check his previous history.
And is it the same answer with deep tissue massage? You need to see the history, or is it fine?
Deep tissue massage, it's fine. As long as you don't have any broken bones or any soft tissue injury. Because before I will do the session, I need to talk to the client. He has the history. If he has a problem, he has some bone issues. He has surgery before.
Yeah.
So that's it.
كاميرتنا الأولى طفت، في حين بنكمل نصور من الكاميرا هذه. So some people say that manual therapy is just a temporary solution. Is that true or no?
That's correct. Actually, as I told you, if you are a sports enthusiast, if you are a sports active person, it takes time, just maybe maximum of 1 month, I mean, you can feel more stiff. So that's why I'm not telling you, honestly, for 11 years I'm working, I don't tell or assume any client of mine that you're going to feel, after the session, you're going to feel 100% you will feel better. No. That's why. So my suggestion is you need to do maintenance.
You have to be. Consistency.
We need to use. You need to be used to it.
Okay.
If you are sports active, or if you are, if you feel something like stiffness or any condition of your body.
Cool.
Aside from that, if the doctor recommendation it's good, if you are qualified, then I can make the session for you. Like,
for a general recommendation, do you advise people to do it every 2 weeks, every week, every month?
Yes.
What is the best recommendation for athletes and for general people?
Yes, for general recommendation for athletes, I think most of my clients, I let them come every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks.
Okay.
Just to maintain their conditions and their, especially for preparing something. But for maintenance, monthly, it depends on how you feel your body. If you feel body that you feel tired, if you feel need some sessions, so it depends on you.
And can you do it every week? Or it's not necessary?
For me, every week, it depends. Like if body, because it depends on the body tone of the person. Like for example, I have client, he's big Rami. He's a big Rami. He's a huge body.
Yeah. So
we do session for him twice a week or 3 times a week.
A week, 3 times a week.
Yeah, 3 times.
But he's big.
Yeah, because he's big and
he trains so hard.
Yes, he trains so hard, and that's why he needs more. Because we focus only in one certain muscles for that day, and then the other day we're gonna focus on certain muscles. But aside from that, if a person not bodybuilder, just normal person or just an office, I think 1 session in once a month is fine.
Okay, cool, great. So we've seen when you did me the manipulation, in my neck, in my back, it's not in a natural position. Like when you hold my neck like this, then it's not a natural position. So is this position could lead maybe to disadvantages or maybe issues in the long term, or you don't have any data to know about this?
My advice to our viewers, please don't do it at home.
Don't do it at home.
Because only professionals can do it, Because if you're gonna make mistake especially for HB, like that trust, it can cause serious problem. So I don't want anyone to do it at home.
So in the first place, they need to choose someone who's trustful, who's studied this thing. So if someone wants to learn about deep tissue massage and about manipulation, do they have to study in the university, or are there any courses?
Yes, I do courses a lot, and courses sometimes. Now I have 7 courses. I finished it. And aside from that, I was graduated 2002 for physical therapy.
So in the university?
Yes, in the university. So in addition to my knowledge, I take a lot of courses.
So you recommend people to take the university degree and take other courses beside it?
But right now, there is short courses right now. If they can watch it online, maybe they can take it 3-day course. It depends. But it depends also if you are qualified or not.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Frank.
Welcome.
Thank you. Nice to see you. See you after 5 months.
5 months, all right.
Okay, see you.
God bless you, brother.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. وبس والله هذا كان فيديونا هالاسبوع عن المساج الرياضي والعلاج يدوي، ان شاء الله تكونوا استفدتوا منه. وحق الناس اللي بالكويت اللي حابه تروح حق فرانك عشان تسوي له جلسه علاج يدوي والمساج الرياضي، راح احط لكم حساب على الانستقرام تحت صندوق الوصف. وهم مره ثانيه اذا حسيتوا ان الفيديو فاتكم استفدتوا منه، لا تنسوا تسووا لايك حق الفيديو واشتركوا بالقناه وتفعلوا جرس الانذارات، هالاشياء انا وايد تساعدني وتحفزني على اساس اقدم محتوى افضل حق الاسابيع الجايه. ابيكم تحت بالتعليقات تكتبوا لي شنو فيديوهات ثانيه تبون حق الاسابيع الجايه، تبون نتكلم عن التمارين، تبون نتكلم عن التغذيه، تبون نتكلم عن مكملات غذائيه، ولا هم تبون زياده اسوي مقابلات مع ناس متخصصه مجال معين. يعني ممكن الاسابيع الجايه نسوي مقابلات مع دكاتره عظام نتكلم فيهم عن الاصابات الرياضيه، ممكن نسوي مقابله مع اخصائيين علاج طبيعي يتكلمون عن تكنيكات التمرين، ممكن نسوي مقابلات مع لاعبين كروس فيت، لاعبين رفع اثقال وغيرها من الاشياء هذه. فعلموني تحت بالتعليقات شنو المواضيع الثانيه تبغون نتكلم عنها، على اساس ان شاء الله بالاسابيع الجايه نتكلم عنها بالتفصيل. وبس والله ان شاء الله اشوفكم يوم السبت الجاي في فيديو جديد. السلام عليكم.